How to add people on Discord. So first you will need to open the Discord application or open Discord in your browser and make sure you're signed in, and then you want to click on the direct messages icon on the top left right here, and then you want to go to the friends category, and from here you should see a blue add friend button which you can click on and then type your friend's username on Discord. So for example, it might look similar to this, or in the old format with hashtag and 4 numbers, but mostly the new method or the new way of adding friends is only a username, but previously it was like a name with a hashtag. You need to type it here and then simply send friend request, and it will tell you whether the request is sent or not. And then you should see a green check mark here when the request is sent, and your friend should receive a notification of your request and basically accept it or reject it. And once it's accepted, it should tell you that your friend has been added to your list, which you can check if you go to friends online, and you can either see the list here or search by name again. And this is to see the online accounts only. If you want to see all of the accounts, you can go to the all category and you can search by name, and then you can find your friend in here if it's added to your friends list. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.